We've got the top 20 best carry-on luggage packing tips that you won't want to miss. I'm Ben from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. Starting off at number 20, always reserve some space in your bag for the trip back. It's a travel truth. We often buy more than we plan to while on holiday. Don't miss out on fantastic deals at local markets just because your bag's full. Planning ahead means more room for those last-minute must-have finds. Coming in at number 19, make sure to check the weather forecast for your destination before packing. There's no point in wasting space on a bulky jacket if you'll only need swimwear, or bringing swimwear if it's going to be cold. A quick online check will help you pack the right clothes for the trip. Next, at number 18, pack a basic first aid kit. A small first aid kit can be a lifesaver for minor emergencies. Our go-to is the Kit Go first aid kit, which includes 101 hospital-grade supplies in a compact, waterproof case. It easily fits in your carry-on or attaches to your backpack. Check out the link in the description for more details. Our 17th tip is to double-check that you've packed your onboard essentials. This includes chargers, headphones, and medications. Running out of power mid-flight or forgetting your headphones is a hassle, but not having vital medication is a serious problem. Make these items the first thing you pack and the last thing you check. At number 16, bring a quick-drying travel towel. A lightweight, quick-drying travel towel is invaluable for any trip, whether at the beach, gym, yoga class, or hiking. A super absorbent, fast-drying towel is a must. We recommend this 4Monster towel, which comes with a handy carry case for easy packing. You can explore the different sizes and colors through the link in the description box of this video. Next up at number 15, we recommend utilizing the space inside your shoes. Maximize your baggage space by using the inside of your shoes. You'll be surprised how many socks, underwear, or small items like cables can fit in this otherwise wasted space. Remember, every inch counts when you're packing. Moving on to our 14th tip, we recommend packing a universal power adapter. A universal power adapter is our personal essential for international travel. Different countries use various outlets and voltages, so a reliable adapter is a must. We recommend the Zendure Universal Travel Adapter, which connects to the 4 major outlet types and includes 4 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports, allowing you to charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. Find more details in the link in the description box of this video. Coming in at number 13, we suggest distributing weight properly. Proper weight distribution is key when packing your carry-on. Place the heaviest items at the base of your bag, just like hikers do. This keeps even-wheeled bags stable and easy to manage. Trust us, taking the time to pack this way makes a big difference. At number 12, we suggest using a travel wallet for your documents. Keep your important documents secure and accessible with a travel wallet. There's so many on the market that are spacious enough for passports, boarding passes, credit cards, cash, and even phones. We just recommend making sure you buy one that is RFID blocking to keep your personal information safe. Our 11th packing tip is to pack versatile clothes. Choose clothes that are versatile and easy to mix and match. Avoid packing items that only go with one outfit or require extensive ironing. Stick to simple, muted colors and pack clothes that fold compactly and resist creasing. This method ensures a more efficient and practical wardrobe for your travels. Next, at number 10, we recommend using and packing a digital luggage scale. Avoid last-minute airport dramas by traveling with a digital luggage scale. Our favorite, linked in the description, is compact and lightweight, taking up minimal space. It has saved us from countless arguments and extra fees at the departure gate. Coming in at number 9, we suggest saving space by wearing your bulkiest clothes and shoes on the plane. The more you wear, the less you need to pack. If you're traveling to a cold climate, wearing your heavy jacket or boots can free up a lot of room in your carry-on. And remember, your jacket has pockets for extra storage. Our 8th tip is to use compression packing cubes. Compression packing cubes are a game changer for organizing and maximizing space in your carry-on. Our favorite cubes are linked in the description box of this video. We love them as they're lightweight and come in various sizes to fit all types of clothing. They compress your items efficiently, leaving you with much more space. Next, at number 7, we highly recommend investing in a durable and spacious carry-on bag that meets airline cabin requirements. There's nothing worse than a bag breaking during your travels. Ensure your bag is reliable and roomy enough for all your items. You can find our favorite backpack, duffel bag, and luggage case linked in the description of this video. Each of them are durable, spacious, functional, and stylish. While they may come with a higher price tag, their longevity makes them worth the cost, and we personally have used these many times during our travels. Coming in at number 6, we recommend complying with liquid restrictions by using travel-sized toiletries or refillable containers. We recommend the Cadence Travel Containers. This set includes magnetic capsules for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, pills, and more in various sizes. They are TSA compliant, 100% leak-proof, and designed for easy filling with wide openings. You can check out the set through the link in the description box of this video. Our 5th tip is to pack a collapsible water bottle. A water bottle is essential, but it can take up valuable space. We recommend the collapsible Nefico bottle. It looks great, folds to half its size, is made of BPA-free silicone, is leak-proof, and holds 750 mils. Next, at number 4, we recommend keeping your dirty and clean clothes separate with a travel-sized laundry bag. You can buy one or simply use an old plastic bag or reusable bag. This is essential for isolating smelly or wet clothes until you can get to a laundromat, and they have many other handy uses on the road. Our 3rd tip is to roll your clothes. For optimal space saving, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This works for t-shirts, pants, jeans, and even dirty clothes. Rolling also reduces wrinkling, saving you from unnecessary ironing. It's our simple but incredibly effective packing method. At number 2, we recommend utilizing all of the zippered compartments in your carry-on. These are perfect for storing small items like toiletries, gadgets, and accessories, keeping your main compartment more organized and spacious. Finally, our number 1 tip is to make a checklist. Create a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything. It sounds simple, but it's the most common packing mistake travelers make. Write a checklist or download one from the internet and physically tick off each item. This simple step can save you from a lot of heartache. Trust us, making a checklist is the best advice for a stress-free journey. If you're in the process of planning your next adventure, then you need to check out our travel tips playlist. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation amazing, like the best luggage sets, must-try booking hacks, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time.